Have you ever met someone new and they ask you to introduce yourself in English?
And suddenly, you forgot everything. Your name, your job, where you are from. Everything.
You practiced at home. You knew the words. But in that moment, nothing came out.
You smiled. You said something short. And then you felt embarrassed for the rest of the day.
That feeling is very common, and it does not mean your English is bad.
It just means you need to practice it the right way. And that is exactly what we are doing today.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak with Joey and Phoebe, your English-speaking podcast. This is day 3 of your 30-day English speaking challenge.
This is day 3. We are moving.
On day 1, we talked about morning routines. On day 2, we talked about a full day in English. But today is different.
Today is not about routines. Today is about you, how you can introduce yourself in English.
Your name, where you are from, what you do, your family, your hobbies. Everything you need when you meet someone new.
And if you enjoy learning with us, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. It really helps.
Okay, Joey, let's start. Pretend we are meeting for the very first time.
I love this! Let's go!
So, hi. I do not think we have met before. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Joey. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Joey. I am Phoebe.
So, Phoebe, where are you from?
Wait. We just started, and you're already asking me questions. Tell me about yourself first.
Okay. My name is Joey. I am from Los Angeles in the United States.
Los Angeles. Nice. Do you still live there?
No, I am from Los Angeles, but now I live in New York.
Interesting. And how old are you, Joey?
I am 28 years old.
And what do you do? Do you work or study?
I am a teacher. I teach English.
Oh, nice. Do you enjoy it?
I love it. Every day is different. Different students, different questions. It is never boring.
That sounds great. And do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have one younger sister. Her name is Emma.
Emma. That is a nice name. What about your parents? What do they do?
My mom is a nurse. She works at a hospital. And my dad is a chef. He works at a restaurant.
A chef? Does he cook for you at home?
Sometimes. And the food is always amazing. I think my love for food comes from my dad.
That makes sense. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Bruno. He is a big brown dog. Very friendly and very loud.
Very loud. Like you.
Maybe. What can I say? We are a good match.
And what do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I love listening to music, and I play basketball with my friends on the weekends.
Basketball. Are you good at?
I am very good.
We will see about that. What is your favorite food?
Pizza, without a doubt. I could eat pizza every single day.
And is there a food you do not like?
I do not like spicy food. Very hot food makes my eyes water and my face turn red.
So, no spicy food for Joey.
No, never.
Okay, Joey just introduced himself, and he used many useful phrases. Let's look at them together.
So, I started with my name. I said, my name is Joey. You can also say, I am Joey. Both are correct.
When you say, my name is Phoebe, it sounds a little more formal. But when you say, I am Phoebe, it sounds more casual and natural. Between friends, I am Phoebe is perfect.
Then I said, nice to meet you. This is what you say when you meet someone for the very first time.
And the other person says, nice to meet you too. That word too means me also. Same feeling.
Then I talked about where I am from. I said, I am from Los Angeles, but now I live in New York.
When you say, I am from Los Angeles, that tells people your hometown. When you say, but now I live in New York, that tells people where you are today. 2 sentences, a small map of your life.
Then age. I said, I am 28 years old. You can also just say, I am 28. Both are fine.
Then I asked Joey, what do you do? When someone asks, what do you do? It means, what is your job? Or do you study?
I said, I am a teacher. I teach English. You can also say, I work as a teacher. Same meaning. When you say, I am a teacher, it sounds casual. When you say, I work as a teacher, it sounds a little more formal.
And if you are studying, you say, I am a student. I study English. I study business. I study medicine.
Then family. I said, I have one younger sister. Her name is Emma. When you talk about a girl or a woman, you say, her name is. When you talk about a boy or a man, you say, his name is.
And if you have no brothers or sisters, you say, I am an only child. That means you are the only son or daughter in your family.
I also talked about my parents. I said, my mom is a nurse. My dad is a chef. Very simple. My mom is a, and then the job. My dad is a, and then the job.
You can also say, my mom works at a hospital. My dad works at a restaurant. When you say works at, you are telling people the place where they work.
Then pets. I said, I have a dog. His name is Bruno. Very simple. I have a dog, I have a cat, I have a fish, and then the name.
If you do not have any pets, you say, I do not have any pets. Simple and clear.
Then hobbies. I said, in my free time, I love listening to music. Free time means time when you are not working or studying.
When you say, in my free time, I love reading, that tells people what you enjoy doing. When you say, in my free time, I enjoy cooking, same idea. Both work perfectly.
And finally, likes and dislikes. I said, my favorite food is pizza, and I do not like spicy food.
When you say, I do not like spicy food, it shows your personality. It makes your introduction feel real, not just a list of facts, a little bit of who you really are.
Everyone has something they do not like. Sharing that makes people feel connected to you. Okay, Phoebe, now my turn to ask. Tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Phoebe. I am from New York City.
New York City. Do you still live there?
Yes, I am from New York, and I still live in New York.
So you never moved?
Never. I love this city too much.
And how old are you, Phoebe?
I am 26 years old.
And what do you do?
I am a student. I study English.
Wait, you study English and I teach English. That is perfect.
It really is. That is why we are doing this podcast together.
And do you have brothers or sisters?
I have one older brother. His name is Sam.
Sam, are you close?
Very close. I call him every week. We talk for a long time.
What about your parents? What do they do?
My mom is a doctor. She works at a clinic. And my dad is a writer. He works from home.
A writer. That is interesting. What does he write?
He writes articles for magazines and newspapers. I think my love for reading comes from him.
Like father, like daughter. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Luna. She is black and white, very quiet and very sleepy.
A sleepy cat. That sounds normal for a cat.
She sleeps all day. It is a good life.
And what do you do in your free time?
I love reading books. Adventure stories are my favorite. And I enjoy cooking at home. I try a new recipe every weekend.
Every weekend. What is your favorite food?
Pasta, especially with a good tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. We talked about that on day 2.
Yes, but mine has vegetables in it, Joey.
And is there a food you do not like?
I do not like very sweet desserts. Cakes and cookies, if they are too sweet, my stomach does not feel good.
Really? I love sweet food.
Of course you do. So we both just introduced ourselves. And again, we used the same phrases.
I said, I am from Los Angeles. Phoebe said, I am from New York. Different cities, same phrase.
Joey said, I am a teacher. I said, I am a student. Different jobs, same phrase.
I have a dog named Bruno. Phoebe has a cat named Luna. Different pets, same phrase.
Joey does not like spicy food. I do not like very sweet desserts. Different dislikes, same phrase.
That is how English works. The phrase stays the same. The details change for each person.
Learn the phrase once, then make it yours. Now, there is one very important thing about introductions that many people forget.
What is that, Phoebe?
Asking back. After you say something about yourself, ask the other person the same question.
Oh, yes, this is so important. For example, someone asks you, where are you from? You can say, I am from Los Angeles. And then you can ask them, what about you? That keeps the conversation going.
You can also just say, and you? It is only 2 words, but those 2 words tell the other person, I want to know about you too.
For example, I am from Los Angeles. What about you?
Or, I love listening to music. And you? What do you like to do?
Without asking back, the conversation feels like an interview. And nobody likes to feel like they are in an interview.
Asking back is what turns an introduction into a real conversation.
2 words. What about you? Remember them.
Okay, everyone, let's practice together. Joey and I will say a phrase. You repeat after us.
Ready? Here we go.
My name is Phoebe. Nice to meet you.
I am from Los Angeles, but now I live in New York.
I am 26 years old.
I am a teacher. I teach English.
I have one older brother. His name is Sam.
In my free time, I love listening to music.
My favorite food is pasta.
Very good. Now, pick one of your favorite phrases from our conversation and try it with your own details.
Awesome. Now, before we finish, 2 phrases from our conversation today.
First, what about you? We have talked about this. After you share something about yourself, ask the other person. I am from Los Angeles. What about you? I love pizza. What about you?
It keeps the conversation going. Without it, the conversation stops. With it, a real connection starts.
Second phrase, I could eat pizza every single day. I said this about pizza. I could eat means I love this food so much that I want to eat it all the time.
I could eat pasta every single day. I could drink coffee every single day. It sounds natural and a little funny. People use it all the time in English.
Try it with your favorite food. I could eat every single day.
Okay, everyone, your challenge for today. Go to the comments section below and introduce yourself. Just 3 sentences. For example, my name is, I am from, in my free time, I love.
3 sentences. That is all. We read every comment.
And we pick our favorite sentence every week.
So write something good.
That is day 3 of your 30-day English speaking challenge.
Today we learned how you can introduce yourself in English. Name, where you are from, age, job, family, hobbies, favorite food.
And one very important skill, asking back. What about you? And you? These small words keep a conversation alive.
Now, before you go, think about how you would introduce yourself. Pick 3 things about yourself and say them in English, even in your head.
Nobody is listening. Just you and your English.
And come back on Tuesday for day 4. We are going to talk about ordering food in English.
Joey's favorite topic.
It really is! Do not forget to subscribe to our channel so you do not miss any new episodes.
Thank you for spending your time with us today. It means a lot.
See you on day 4. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.